Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the outdoor kitchen areas and we just pulled this chicken off the smoker. This one went with cherry and applewood for about 45 minutes or so. Looking good. It's got a nice crust on it there. Nice char. Now we're gonna slow cook it. Adding some water. Sometimes we use beer. We're gonna let it go another half hour at least. If you want to find some of the recipes, subscribe right here. Search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Another plate going out to this special party here. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. We got the herb roasted chicken, Vesuvio potatoes, pesto sauce, tomato, oregano, basil, rosemary garnish, mushrooms, onions, all the good stuff here, and the Italian sausage stuffed calabrese. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Subscribe, like, share right there. Oh yeah. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Good. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. noticed my cutting boards, I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money, free shipping, no tax.